How to change the Xiamen Airlines flight. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the Xiamen Airlines flight. So how do you change this flight? It is simple. The first step is for you to log into your Xiamen Airlines website page. And so once you're on this page, the next step is to move to My Trips, alright? So after clicking on My Trip option, ensure you enter in the ticket number, then your last name, your first name, your verification code, then click on search to bring out the trip that has those information. So after the trip has been displayed, after the trip has been displayed and you can see the trip, go ahead to select the new date and the new time for your flight because you'll be taken to the flight details page. Okay, so just select the new time and the new date for your flight, then follow the prompts that will be displayed on your screen to confirm the change. And then once the change is confirmed, your Xiamen Airlines flight will be changed as long as there are flights available for those times and those days that you selected. Okay, once there are available flights, your flight will be changed. And if there are needs for you to make any additional payment, it will be displayed on your screen. Make your payment so that your change can be effected. All right, but if you have further information, perhaps you're not getting it, just go ahead to contact the customer support by going to the contact us tab, where you can see different options, different method of contacting the customer support. Use any of the options that is available to you, or yeah, you can use easily, and then make your complaint known and it will be resolved as soon as possible. So this is how you can change the Xiamen Airlines flight. Thank you for watching and have a good day.